Hey friends, this book is called The Sad, Sad Monster by Dolores Costello. This is a story about a monster, a very good monster. But even though he was good, everyone was afraid of him. At school, nobody would play with him. He would swing alone, skip alone, and play games alone. So Monster was sad, very sad. One day, Monster was eating lunch. Everyone sat somewhere else. Everyone except Sarah. Sarah wasn't afraid. She didn't mind Monster's sharp teeth. Is this space free? Yes. She very much wanted to swing with Monster. And skip. And play games. Sarah wanted to be Monster's friend. After that, Monster wasn't sad or alone anymore. And that's the end.